So in this video guys, I'll be sharing with you how you can quickly create a link to a photo in your Google Drive using your PC, right? So identify the image that you want to create the link for, and then you go ahead and select the menu icon that says more action, then select share, and then you can go ahead and copy link. You can also share the image directly with someone by selecting the menu action icon again, select share, and then select share. Here you'll have the option to add the person who you want to share the photo with, right? And then you have the option to select between restricted or anyone with the link. Now with the first option of just sharing the link, anyone has that link will be required to request an invitation. Now as you can see with the second option, when you select share and select share again and select share with general access, anyone with the link, you can choose between view, commentator, or editor. And that's basically it. Don't forget to leave a like or comment on this video.